Are you looking for the top 5 best beach tents for ultimate sun protection? Before buying a beach tent, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many tents look similar, but real buyers often complain about ventilation and space issues that ruin their beach day.
Product number 1. Gorich Beach Tent. First up is the Gorich Beach Tent, priced at $31.99. What caught my attention was its impressive size. It's 30% bigger than most tents in its price range. If you want ample space for family and friends, this is worth a serious look. This tent measures 86.6 inches long, 59 inches wide, and 48 inches high, fitting up to 3 people comfortably. The UPF 50+ UV protection is crucial for keeping your loved ones safe from harmful sun rays while you enjoy your day at the beach. Plus, it sets up in just minutes, and once packed, it folds down to a travel size that's super easy to carry. With over 7,000 sold just last month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mentioned the fabric could be a bit thin, which might not hold up well in heavy winds. Now, here's the thing. As long as you're cautious and set it up in a sheltered spot, it's not a deal breaker. You just need to be mindful of the weather. This tent is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, spacious option for a fun day at the beach. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand strong winds regularly, but for the price, it's hard to beat the value.
Product number 2. Baby Beach Tent with Fan. Next up is the Baby Beach Tent from D-Squoo, retailing at $34.17. What really stands out is its built-in solar cooling fan. If you're a parent wanting to keep your little one comfortable in the heat, this tent is definitely worth checking out. This tent not only provides UPF 50+ protection, blocking up to 98% of harmful UV rays, but also comes with a solar-powered fan that can keep the interior cool even on hot days. With dimensions of 47.5 inches long and 31.5 inches wide, it's designed for toddlers and provides a safe play area. Plus, it's easy to set up and take down. Parents are loving that it's made of skin-friendly, BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for their kids. Now, I did notice that some parents found the size a bit small for multiple children. Here's the thing though, it's really meant for 1 or 2 toddlers, so if you're looking to accommodate a bigger crew, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you have a toddler and want a safe, shady spot at the beach. Skip this one if you need a larger space for multiple kids, but it's a solid option for those with younger children.
Product number 3. Gorich Pop-Up Tent. The next one is another Gorich tent, but this one is priced at $39.99. It's very similar to the first one, but designed to pop up more easily, which is a great feature if you're in a hurry. If you want quick setup without compromising space, this deserves your attention. Measuring the same 86.6 inches by 59 inches, it fits 3 to 4 people and has that same excellent UPF 50+ protection. The quick setup means you can have it ready in just a couple of minutes, and it folds down into a compact travel size. Plus, it has a water-repellent design, which can keep you dry during light rain, making it versatile for different activities. However, a few reviews mentioned that the pop-up mechanism can be a bit tricky for first-timers. I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker, but it might take a little practice the first time. This tent is perfect for you if you need something that sets up fast and provides ample space for family. Skip it if you're not a fan of learning how to use a new mechanism, but it's a great value for the price. Product number 4. Be So Hot Beach Tent. Coming in at $79.99, we have the Be So Hot Beach Tent. What caught my eye here is its massive size and the height of its stabilizer bar, which is 7.7 feet, perfect for taller folks. If you want a spacious and tall tent for your beach outings, this might be the one for you. This tent has a footprint of 120 by 120 inches, giving you 100 square feet of shade. The UPF Plus 50 Lycra fabric offers excellent sun protection, and it comes with 8 sandbags to keep it stable even on windy days.
What's really impressive is the quick setup thanks to pre-strung poles, allowing for 1-second assembly. With over 3,000 sold this month, it's getting some attention. Now, the downside is that it weighs about 10 pounds, which is heavier than some other options. But if you have a small group and are driving to the beach, the weight isn't a huge deal. It's definitely more stable than lighter alternatives. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious and sturdy tent for family or friends at the beach. Skip it if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, but it offers great value for those who prioritize space and stability.
Product number 5. Gorich Large Beach Tent. Finally, we have another Gorich tent hitting the shelves at $55.99. This one is the largest of the bunch, measuring 102.4 inches long and 65 inches wide. If you're looking for a spacious option that can fit a larger group, you should definitely consider this one. With a height of 59.1 inches, it allows for plenty of headroom, ideal for sitting comfortably. It also features UPF 50+ protection and a water-repellent design, making it great for both sunny and slightly rainy days. The setup is quick and easy, folding down to a manageable size, perfect for carrying. However, some users reported that the fabric can feel a bit flimsy in strong winds. Honestly, if you're going to be in a really windy area, you'll need to secure it well, but for beach days with mild weather, it's a fantastic choice. This tent is perfect for you if you need a spacious and comfortable spot for multiple people at the beach. Skip it if you're expecting extreme durability and high winds, but it's great value for the space and comfort you get.
To wrap it all up, we've covered the Gorich Beach Tent, the Baby Beach Tent with fan, the Gorich Pop-Up Tent, the Basu Hot Beach Tent, and the Large Gorich Beach Tent. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about your needs, whether it's space, ease of setup, or protection from the sun. Make your choice wisely and enjoy your days at the beach.